Some of this is not dirt, dirty carpet, it's shadows. There's a lot of shade in this room.
And a lot of wear and tear.
Yeah. So there's some damage. This carpet's probably 30 years old.
They're old, 20 or 30. They've been around. We don't know what the lighting's like in here, so our camera usually shows pretty good lighting, but
sometimes it boosts it up and makes everything glossy looking.
If it is looking good on lighting, then it's not real because it's dark. That's the truth. So.
Okay, let me swing up here.
Okay, we'll go this way.
Did you get over here real good, Jay?
Yeah,
right
I'm there. All that.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the lamp shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we learned that a long time ago. You work on a spot and work on a spot and work on a spot and then figure out it's a shadow from a piece of furniture or something. Mm-hmm. So it's not anything to take out. Okay. We're going to end up moving this desk and everything to get just the area underneath that. But that's the gist of what we're doing in here. And you can see the carpet's got a lot of fibers that are torn loose and everything.
Let me see if I can work this area a little more. This area is pretty sharp. I don't know if they can see it on camera. See all the little holes in the carpet?
Yeah, it's got little pinholes and everything.
That's the one time because one of those plastic things that's on the carpet to protect from desk chairs.
Yeah, ironically to protect your carpet, and it tears it up over time.
But it's been there for years. You can probably get that up with a hot iron, just steam it and all.
Well, there's threads that need snipped and everything.
But yeah.
Basically, you need to shave the carpet to get all those things off of there. All right, that's all.
We'll come back and finish it
I'll
when
show
the desk is moved.
We did this room in here. We didn't video because the lighting was bad. Same type of carpet.
You want to finish vacuuming? We can move that desk.
He's going to move that desk.
We'll be out of your hair, out of your life.
Till next time.
And they have a little doggy. There he is. She has been very sweet through this whole thing. She's been aching to get on camera, and there she is. She's a good girl. Then we did this big living room, and we had to move all the furniture around. It's drying as we speak. So, it was a fun time. Thanks for watching.